Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you love experimenting with makeup or want to try new looks without the commitment, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring some of the best makeup apps available for Android that allow you to transform your appearance virtually. Let's dive in and discover the perfect tools for your beauty journey. YouCam Makeup Face Editor. YouCam Makeup is a highly popular makeup app that provides users with a virtual makeup experience right on their Android devices. It features a wide array of makeup products, including lipstick, eyeliner, blush, and more, allowing users to try different looks in real time using augmented reality technology. The app comes with advanced editing tools, including skin smoothing and blemish removal, giving users the ability to enhance their overall appearance. Additionally, YouCam Makeup offers tutorials, makeup tips, and even virtual makeovers for special occasions. With its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features, it's perfect for both makeup enthusiasts and anyone looking to experiment with their look. YuFace Makeup. YuFace Makeup is another fantastic app that focuses on virtual makeup application and editing. It provides a variety of makeup options and tools that allow users to apply different cosmetics to their photos or in real time. The app includes a selection of trendy makeup styles and looks that users can experiment with. Users can easily add just colors, effects, and styles to find the perfect combination that suits them. YuFace Makeup also offers features for skin enhancements, such as smoothing and brightening, making it a valuable tool for those who want to perfect their selfies. Its intuitive design makes it accessible for users of all ages, making makeup fun and easy. Face Makeup. Face Makeup is a straightforward and easy-to-use app designed for users who want to enhance their photos with virtual makeup. The app offers a range of cosmetic options, including foundation, lip colors, eyeshadows, and more, allowing for simple yet effective transformations. Users can select from various preset makeup styles or create their looks by mixing and matching products. The app also provides the ability to add just colors and effects, ensuring users can tailor their makeup to their preferences. With its focus on simplicity and ease of use, Face Makeup is perfect for beginners or anyone looking to quickly enhance their appearance in photos. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of top makeup apps inspires you to have fun with your beauty routine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and app reviews. Which app are you excited to try out? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.